Want to achieve greater freedom in your business? Do these 3 things. Hello, my name is Beate Chelette. I'm the growth architect, and I'm back with a couple more insights to help you scale your impact in your business. Today, let's talk about 3 key things that you need to do to achieve greater freedom in your business. First and foremost, you got to get clear on your vision. What do you want to achieve? Where do you want to go? And how are you going to scale your impact? Without that clear vision, you will lack direction and purpose, and your efforts most likely will be all over the place, scattered. You need to set sights high and aim for something that truly inspires you. Without that passion and inspiration, it is absolutely meaningless. That will help you to stay motivated and focused and give you the drive to push you through the challenges that come with being an entrepreneur. Secondly, you need to systematize your business. That means you need to put in place processes and procedures that will allow you to operate effectively and efficiently without getting bogged down by the day-to-day details. You need to be able to delegate a lot of these lower hanging tasks, lower level tasks and responsibilities, and then build the team and trust the team to deliver on that vision that you have. That will free up time and energy to focus on the big picture, and that's how you scale in a meaningful way. And finally, you need to surround yourself with the right people. This includes your team, your partners, your mentors, and you are building this strong support network of people that are cheering you on, that are buying into your vision, and that can help you to achieve those goals. That means you need to find people that are aligned with these values, who bring complementary, not the same, complementary skills and experience to the table. Now, with the right people on your side, you'll have the support and encouragement you need to build that business to keep going even when the going gets tough. So those are the 3 things that you need to achieve greater freedom in your business and scale your impact. Get clear on your vision, systematize your business, and surround yourself with the right people. This is part of the foundational pieces for building a successful and sustainable business that can have real impact in the world. I hope this has been helpful. If you want to learn more about how to scale your impact and achieve greater freedom in your business, be sure to check out my website at beatechelette.com. Thanks for tuning in. I see you again next time, and goodbye.